Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shabbath. Today we're going to be making okra soup. This is not just any okra soup. This is okra soup with 3 lives. Everything is in it. So let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'll use okra, dry pepper, native salt, cow, beef, smoked fish, chopped spinach, palm oil, and some shaki. Now we're going to boil the okra. So to a pot of water, add salt and then dump in the okra. This will add more slime to the okra. We're going to add in the native salt, which is cow, and then allow that to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you see that the okra gets more slimy, and that is what you want, the slime. While the okra is cooking, chop some onion and set aside. Heat up a pot, and then when it's hot enough, add palm oil. You don't want to bleach the palm oil too much. Actually, you don't want to bleach it at all. Just let it heat up a little, and then add chopped onion and let that fry for a bit. Now I'm going to add the blended dry pepper. I just fry that with the chopped onion that I already put in. I'll add the smoked fish, beef, and the shaki, and then just fry that together for a bit before I add the okra. Now I'm adding the okra, and then I'm just going to stir it properly to make sure everything is well mixed together. Here I'm just going to add the beef stock and then add a little more water, just enough to cook the soup. Not too much because you don't want it too watery. Stir and make sure everything is mixed completely, and then leave that to simmer for about 5 minutes. Do not cover the pot because if you do, you're going to lose the slime. So you just leave that to simmer while the pot is open. Now I'll add in the chopped spinach. Going to add no powder, pepper and salt to taste. Be careful not to add too much because the beef stock already had salt and no powder in it, so make sure you taste it before you add more to it. But then the pepper, you need a lot of pepper. Okay, that's me though, I need a lot of pepper because this is okra soup with 3 lives, so you need that heat. So I decided to add some dry bitter leaf at the last minute. This is optional, but it's just something that I like to add. It gives the soup a little more flavor. So you can decide to or not. Totally optional. Just listen. That's the sound you want to hear. That bubbling sound. That's what you want to hear. And that's it. Our okra soup with 3 lives is ready. So you can either serve this with eba, pounded yam, poundo yam, or whatever you like. It is amazing. I don't need to tell you, when you try it out, you would know. Try and see. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.